right now here in front of me, we have a standard walker. So let me just show you really quickly. Some of the standard walkers have a pin in the front, but this particular walker has the levers on the side that help it close. Okay, so now it's open and it clicks into place. Again, some of the walkers do have a locking mechanism right here in the front. This has it to the left and to the right. Okay, this is a standard walker. Okay, standard meaning that all four legs are just have a rubber piece but no wheels. We'll get into the wheels in a little bit. The other thing that I wanted to show everybody is often you'll have the rubber tips in the front, and in the back you'll have gliders. Now gliders can be either plastic caps or actually a complete plastic piece that you replace the rubber tip with. So you would take this rubber tip off, which I'm not going to do right now for time's sake, and replace it with a rubber, with a plastic tip. Otherwise, a plastic cap, I should say. Otherwise, you would take a small little plastic cap and put it on top. For those of you that have seen people in clinics or in the community, you also will see tennis balls that also will help for some of that resistance. Okay, so now that we have the walker, the next thing we have to do with the walker, similar to the cane, is we have to adjust the height. You want to have a 30-degree of elbow bend, or when you're standing nice and straight, you want the handles of the walker or the handles of the cane to be at wrist crease. Okay, so in this particular case, if you're looking at the walker here and the handles and my wrists, it is too short for me. So I'm going to make the adjustment right now. And it's a little bit of a science, but you get used to it. You get used to knowing a person's height and how tall a walker should be for them. Again, here, nice and straight, still too short. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th pin. On the 5th pin. Standing up nice and tall. And now this walker is perfect for me with a 30-degree or so bend. And when I'm standing nice and tall, the handles are at the wrist crease. Okay? Now, to use a walker, I'm going to demonstrate a couple things. So let's say for one reason or another, fracture, broken hip, broken femur, broken ankle, I cannot put weight on my leg. So what I would do is I would move the walker and then hop into the walker. Move the walker and hop into the walker. Move the walker and hop into the walker. Okay, and that would be non-weight bearing using a standard walker. Okay, now let me show you something else. You can do walker, the operated leg, but this time not non-weight bearing, but toe touch, meaning I'm just putting the tippy toe down and then moving the stronger or non-operated leg forward. Okay, so I would move the walker, just the tippy toe, and then the non-operated leg. Walker, the operated leg, broken leg, tippy toe, and then the non-operated leg or the stronger leg. Okay? Partial weight bearing. Walker, just the operated leg, then the other. Walker, just the operated leg, then the other. Walker, just the operated leg, then the other. That would be partial weight bearing. And we're going to get into something called step 2 and step through.